Hello, it's Kevin Fagan. I'm the founder of the Figaro Owners Club, and I wanted to give you a very quick tutorial of our Figaro Owners Club forum. Now, the forum is where you would go if you want to find technical information on the car. You wanted to find a resource about wiring diagrams, mechanical information. Absolutely everything is on this forum, so it's very, very comprehensive. It's been going between 8 to 9 years now, so we've got a lot of data. So what I'm going to do, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log in. Now I've made my mouse arrow nice and large so you can see it. So obviously the first thing you need to do is to register first. You do this obviously when you join the club. If you haven't done it, just click on register and then put your email address in. You need to create a unique username along with a unique password. Once you've done that, what happens, the system will then send you an email. You click on that email and then you can then log in. Okay, so we're going to log in, so I'm going to click login. There we go. So I've got obviously these pre-stored at the moment, so that is my username. You would type your username in here and you type the password in here. Obviously you can't see that, it's hidden at the moment, so I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so I'm now logged in, and I can tell I'm logged in because it's got log out is in orange. So right, the first thing to look at here is if you look here, you've got click here to read latest posts. So this is something that we always try and encourage people to do when they first log in, because it is really just a shortcut to everything that's been posted of late. So if you haven't been onto the site for a while, it's great to do that. You click on that and it opens up all of the latest posts by other members, and you'll see if they're new and you haven't read them because they'll have a little new against the folder here, which I'll show you in a minute. So that's some of the posts, and obviously you can click on any of these and you can reply to those by going up to here. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. We'll go back to home again. So the first thing to do is always click on here, click here to read the latest posts. Right, okay, so looking along down the particular site as we drag our cursor down, you've got news. This is information that we tend to put out as a club. We've got Figaro chat here, so we've got introduce yourself, we've got general chat, this chit chat. You can talk about anything here to do with the car. Members projects here, you could maybe post something about what you're doing to your car. This is where the meets and events get posted. If you've seen a Figgy sort of on your travels, that's Figgy spotting. And also the Nissan Pao and BE1 and the S-Cargo is also here as well, just as a feature that we wanted to include. That's a part of the Pike project cars. Okay, so the technical section is here, and you can see we've got A to Z order, and this is the one that you need to look at. You can see here we've got a new against the folder here, so I'm going to click on this, and that means in here somewhere we've got a new post. But what I wanted to show you was really the extent of the information we've got here. What we've pride ourselves on really at the club is to try and make things as simple as we can for people to navigate. A lot of forums you'll find have been split up into lots of different sections, and we haven't done that here, because the trouble is a lot of people don't know quite what to call something sometimes, and if you put things in different places, it's very, very hard for people to find it. So there's nothing as simple as an A to Z list. I don't think so anyway. So here we go all the way down, and you can see someone called Ian Stock has posted something about interior panels, sticky panels. So a lot of these subject titles, if you like, have all come through the experience that we've got with the car. Obviously when we get something new that we've not had before, then we'll add that, but you've got so much stuff here all the way down. There's just hundreds and hundreds of different topics that you can choose from, and obviously just treat each of these topics really as separate rooms. So as you open any of these topics, so for instance if we're going to open air conditioning here, I'm going to click on that, and now that's all of the information on air conditioning is in here. So the subject titles, and some of these might be what I'm looking for. So we've got things like pollen filter here. We've got things like aircon conversion. And if you see something up here with a padlock, that means it's been locked, and that's normally something that the club's going to post, which we don't really want people to reply on, because otherwise the post becomes very full. So it's more to do with us posting information that is just a one-off. So you can see really some of the information we've got. To go back, click on return there, and go back again, click on return again. So that's the technical section. Under that, so obviously A to Z, we've got nearly 18,000 posts, 3,000, just over 3,000 separate threads there. We've got servicing, taxing, insuring, we've got importing, exporting information. There's obviously, I'm not going to read all of these out, but you can see there's a lot of information here. We've got resource here as well. So this is where we keep all of the information on the workshop manuals, maintenance schedules, and the like. And most of these you'll find are PDF. So if I click on that, you'll see again we've got all of these padlocks here. So if I click on something like electrical manual, so we've got all of the electrical manuals here. So again, all of these links work. So again, I click on that, opens up a separate link, and you can see all the wiring diagram for the car here. If you're going to go down, this is drilling down to such a comprehensive detail, and we're very proud of the information that we've got. And all this is down really to Simon Smith, who's given his heart and soul to this particular forum. So thanks very much for that. So we're going to go back here now. So that's it really. I just wanted to show you how to use it. So again, log in up here. You've also got information on members and such like up here that you can look into. And again, as I said before, you know, please post information and try, and if you can, try and select the correct place to post in. So if you want a question asked, then obviously if you post in a specific area, then obviously it makes it easier for us. And easier for other members as well to find the particular post and help, because the good thing about a forum is obviously when we get a post and we get an answer, then that answer is available for every member to read. So I hope that's been of use. I'm going to log out now. Always remember to log out, so click the log out, little orange button here, click the log out, and then we're logged out now. Okay, so that's all from me. Thanks very much for watching the tutorial on the Figaro Owners Club forum. Thank you.